In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error while communicating with Rocket League servers. So first thing you want to do is go to Epic Games. So what you want to do here is find the game here. So I'll show an example for this game, follow the same steps for Rocket League. So click on the three dots of the game, click on manage, and then make sure launch options are turned off, and then click verify files. So verify files might take like a few minutes to finish, and once it's done, you can just close this down. Now before you do anything else, I want to make sure that you have Epic Games exited, and then Steam exited. Make sure you have Rocket League exited, and just make sure the game is not running. You can check if it's running by going to Task Manager. If you see it here, just right click and then end task. And then you want to go and type in CMD. You want to run as administrator. So what you're going to do here is just write the following commands. So type ipconfig/renew and then press enter. And then you want to type in the next command, so ipconfig/release. And then the last command, ipconfig flush DNS. So once you have this done, what you want to do is you want to check if there's any errors with the Rocket League servers. So you can do this by just typing is Rocket League down. So on this website, it will tell you if there's any errors. You'll see like spikes or something. So if that's the cause, then all you have to do is just wait for a few minutes and the server will fix on its own, and that's it.